Hi guys, so today I wanted to do a video. I did videos.
Yeah, I do not know how to edit actually.
So they're kind of really bad, but like I know how to edit. In the last video it was bad because I had music over it, but I'm not gonna have music over it today. But if you're wondering why my hands are over here, it's because I have a bird named Kermit. Say hi. So no one knows I have it because I just started YouTube. It sounds pathetic when I say today stuff, but like this is my bird. Now, if you guys want to get a bird, do your research and make sure you guys are prepared. I really wanted a bird for a long time. It was actually a Christmas present for this year from my grandparents. But I decided I'm gonna take good care of him. And this is Kermit. He's weird. What are you doing? Oh my God! What are you doing, Kermit? What are you? I'm sorry. Okay. I have a weird bird. Okay, I'm sorry. So, this is my bird, and yeah, I love him. If you guys want a bird, make sure you want it and you aren't like, oh, I hate it, I don't want to take care of it. They aren't as hard as people think you have to take care of them. They're easy, kind of, not kind of, like sort of, even though it means the same thing. They're easy because all you do is have to feed them and give them water and let them play, give them baths and clean their cage. That's it, and get their wings clipped, and if in emergencies, take them to the vet because if they get sick. But it's not that hard for a bird like to go to a vet. It's not that hard. They can easily. And one way you guys can tell is if they're sick, they go like on the bottom of their cage. They're always on the bottom. Here's his cage. I'm gonna go put him back in because he's gonna get mad at me and bite me. Yes, this is his cage, so if they go on the bottom and stuff, yes. So, and stuff. And they do like playing with balls. He's a weird bird, so he does not like playing with balls. But they poop a lot too, so it's important you clean their cage. And also get newspaper for the bottom. And all they eat is seeds. You guys could feed them like fruit. That's why I have a white dish there. White Kermit. Oh, and he loves to swing. You guys need to get toys too. Yes, he has a colorful optional toys, and he has a potassium stick too. Wow, oh my gosh, and stuff. But this is Kermit and stuff. Oh, and also hold on. This is usually what you guys gotta do with them. You gotta like sometimes have this. That's why I have them, but when my grandparents gave me Kermit, the funny thing was he can escape his cage. I'm not saying all birds do this, it's maybe just mine, but like this. Oh, sorry, those are my earbuds. He has to have clips. Worst thing. And also, I like him. He's one of a kind. I think he's really good. So keep in mind, I'm learning everything too. And if you guys just have a bird too, I hope this helped you learn a little bit, at least about birds from this video. But anyways, bye guys. See you all next time for another video. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.